Let's make easy, fast quesadillas. First, you need to heat up your tortilla in a cast iron skillet. Heat it up on both sides for a couple of seconds just to get a nice little char and allow both sides to get warm. Then add your favorite cheese on one half of the side after you have flipped the tortilla over. At this point, you can also add your favorite meat if you would like, mixed cheese, whatever. I sometimes like to add some pepperoni slices. You can also add ham, bacon, whatever you prefer. Definitely one of those snacks you can make your own. Now once you've added the cheese and fold the half over, let it cook for a second on one side, pressing down. Then flip it, press it down again, and allow it to finish cooking on the other side. You're basically heating up the cheese, crisping the cheese that oozes out, and getting that perfect cheesy bite. After you have allowed the tortilla to cook for about a minute, flipping every 20 to 30 seconds, you're ready to serve it up. Check out this cheesy goodness right here. I use mozzarella cheese, but you can make this your own.